Mortal Kombat. We will play as Alien, aka known as a Xenomorph. This is actually Mortal Kombat Project 4.1 Season 2.9. This is supposed to be the follow-up to, I think, Season 2.5. Who the frick is this character? Oh my god, what map are we playing on? That's cool, he has an acid spit. Okay, he's mixed with Reptile and Baraka. He has the chop blades. That's nice. Alien wins. And Mortal Kombat X announcer too. Toste. And this Dan Forden has a different color shirt every single time you pull off a toasty. Oh. Yeah. So that character was Aqua. Brutality. Chameleon? Yep, Chameleon. Hooray, another Mortal Kombat 1 character. Oh. No. That was quick. Yeah. Oh. He is now wearing an orange shirt. Breaker. Breaker. You ain't taking the win away from me. Yeah. That head wasn't even on the thing that much. Switching hands. Sub-Zero. Sub-Flame. Okay. Great. Sub-Zero mixed with fire. Nice. That's strange. I went through that thing. Look out for the flame clones. And I got hit by one. Don't touch it. I can at least attack you from afar. No, hit him. Ugh. Alien wins. Just get hit by one of the attacks. Finish him. Yeah, there it is. These are meant to be Baraka's fatalities, but they gave it to Alien instead. Ooh, look at all that blood. Who dis? Smoke. MK1 Smoke. They're giving me more Kombat 1 characters. Come on, give me some oldies or some... Actually, no, not oldies. Modern characters, like more Kombat 3 characters. Flawless. Back. Supposed to be the face hugger fatality. That long pause. Double flawless. Fatality. Hooray, Cheese Lao. Finally someone different. Ooh, you thought. Oh. Going back up to date, yeah. You dare hit me with your hat? Ah. Take this long range sweep. Nice. Oh. Okay, let's try this again. Back, back, back. Where'd the worm thing go? Fatality. I mean, it's really cool that he summons the egg and the face hugger, but where else would it be? Whoa, another chick that is completely naked. I'm about to censor this fight. But all you'll see is just the ground. Whoever it is actually Jade. Okay, won that one. Fight. Ah, come on. Whoa, where'd she go? Yeah, this one is also a little bit buggy. You mean her, but whatevs. I'll do a friendship, why not? It's quite funny because the friendship that he did was from Baraka, where he pulls out the present. Back to the thing. Oh, hello. Unmasked Scorpion, the one I played from. Holy crap. The one Scorpion that I played from Quadrilogy. Oh, God. Why won't you hit him? Ah! No, you don't. Alien wins. Fight. Xbox One, do not fail. Ugh. Excellent. Finish him. Babality. Now that baby looks cool. As you can see, Scorpion Skull. Who the heck is that? Snake. Another reptile ripoff. Whoa. Okay. Grab. He has a acid spit also. Yep. Reptile ripoff. And his skin is purple. Instead of completely a reptile green. Ah, come on. Finish him. Here we go, brutality. Brutality. Another scorpion? No, Cyrax. Human Cyrax. What's with the Goro over there sitting out on nothing? Or you know what, maybe the picture is off. Haha, I landed straight into the chop blades. Yeah, he normally sits on the stairs. But I think if we move, then he'll move. Ah! That's a really cool animation for him throwing the... Oh, bomb! I'm an idiot, I just went into that bomb. When he throws out the net and the bomb. Finish him. Ah, Harakiri. Haha! Ermac. Mortal Kombat 2 Ermac. And we playing on a classic stage. Oh, straight from Mortal Kombat 3. Ah, come on. Chop blades. Way to end it. Round 2, fight. Well done. Breaker. In the chop blades. Back, why not? Oh, there's the worm thing. Was wondering when it would come out. Prepare to fight one of Shao Kahn's deadliest warriors. Who was that? Oh, Quan Chi. No, I only touched him once with it. Quan Chi? No. Breaker. Alien wins. I dropped the combo. No. God dang it. You got me in this corner. Okay. I'll get you in the corner. Wow. Quan Chi wins. And they use the Mortal Kombat 4 announcer's voice for Quan Chi. Chop blades? Nope. Oh. Ah, come on. No. He destroyed me that quickly. And brutality. Not bad. But one continue wasted. So, here we go again. Fight. I messed it up. Ooh. What am I doing wrong? Oh. Fight. Ah, come on. What? Look at this. What am I supposed to do against that? Ah. He just kept going. He wouldn't stop. That was my own dang fault. Just one punch. 2 continues down the drain. Here we go again. Third try. Ah. Breaker. Ah. Could you just let me in for once? Danger. With little less health I have left. Fight. Ah, come on. Ah, come on. No. Got something for yo. Be free. The worm is just all like... Just doesn't even give a crap in the worry of the world. Hey, I finally defeated Quan Chi. All that stands before me. Goro. Fight. Nay. Holy crappy stage transactions me. There might be a way that I can possibly lose. And hey, would you look at that? We're in Shang Tsung's throne room. Nah, dang it. Babality. What? Well, yeah, don't get me wrong. I think that's what, baby aliens are like anyways. Baby xenomorphs. They're just little tiny worms. Ah, come on. You will have me defeat you. No, my chances of victory. God dang you. Great. Fatality. God dang. War continues down the drain. Here we go. Or, heck, I don't even know anymore. Lost control of counting. Ah, come on. Haha. At least there's one move he is not weak to, and that's the chop chop blades. I can even sweep him with my tail. That's nice. Whoa. Why can't you just die? Go down, Goro. Every single time they always go flying somewhere. Danger. Alien wins. He just jumped into it. Anna! Blue shirt, toasty. Ah, come on. Yippity yip yip. I just want to win. What the frick was that? Meow. Flawless victory. Yes, finally did it. Boom. Can we please move on to the next character now? Shao Kahn. Or the last character. Whoa. How about you come over here and tell that to my face? Of course they still have the Shao Kahn when he taunts down at you and teleports like a douchebag he is. And he also has an air fireball. Man, get me out of this game already. Where's a kill button when I need it? Screw you, you are nothing. God dang it. Feel the wrath of Shao Kahn. And he has a run button. Wonderful. No crap, Sherlock. So rageful. Get up and fight me. How am I supposed to get up and... I don't even care who your name is anymore. I just want to beat you. It's like, get up and fight me. How am I supposed to get up and fight you? You're the one that's doing heavy damage on me. Should just let you fall to your death down the pits. And he also has a combo system. He just grabbed me and just dropped me down. Well, you don't have to rub it in. Ah, wonderful fatality. What is there to do? Stay away from me. I have long reach at least. No. Come on. Oh my god, yes. Nice get up animation. I know how to beat you now. I don't care who you are. You're going down. No. Bow to me. Yeah, did it. No. 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 Crack. Boom. Alien wins. That's it? Nothing else? Well, prepare for a final battle. Are you sure about that? You liar. You didn't give me a final battle whatsoever. You just gave me the ending. Yep, Mortal Kombat X looking things here. Anyway, I think that's gonna do for me right there. What you saw there was Mortal Kombat Project 4.1 Season 2.9. The pinnacle to Season 2.5. I gotta look to see if there's more things to this. If there was more updates somewhere. Now the only reason why I picked Alien, because I just love Alien so much. I even love the Alien movies and the games. My favorite Alien movie would have to be Alien vs. Predator. And boy, was that fun. Anyway, I think I'm gonna go. I mean, it is getting quite late out. It's like 12:47, almost 1 o'clock. So yeah, I'm just gonna get out of here. But hey, hopefully you all enjoyed the gameplay. This is HighFall Cat. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and click the little bell notification icon to get notified for what I'm gonna do next in the future. And if you're asking, I don't really have the LED lights on right now, so it's just me in pure darkness. But hey, you know what? That'll be like advanced alien darkness, because couldn't find a light to describe alien. He's just pure dark. That just sounded racist. Anyway, I'm not gonna keep talking about it now, otherwise it might get a little bit sensitive. And until then, this is HighFall the Cat, skydiving out of here. Peace, I'm out.